Good morning and welcome to the first electronics video of the day. This is the circuit that I built and it's using a software tool called Fritzing, which is spelled like that at the top there, and you can use it like in a breadboard view, and you can also show a schematic view and a PCB view, and there's actually code. It doesn't actually run. You can't actually press a play button or anything, so it is literally for templating, but you can like hold a pin down and it shows you where it's connected to, which is kind of useful. Unfortunately, when I drew this up, when I started scoring the breakpoints into the actual Veroboard, I forgot to do this backwards, so that really kind of cocked it up a bit. But oh well, lesson for next time. I'm guessing there is a reverse view, but I haven't found it yet. This is the other tool that I was using, which is called LT Spice, and it's another free tool. I think it's kind of like professional level. I can't remember who makes it, but they essentially make it so you can test out their components before buying, presumably, loads of their components. And you can actually simulate this. So there's the 5x5, which is a built-in component. I've just put resistances around it, and then when you press play, this runs for 10 seconds. And if I just put a probing point, say, I don't know, on the resistor, well, there, you can see there's there's your jump over 10 seconds, and then you can put it at the capacitor, so you can see the voltage at the capacitor. I think you can actually click it on the capacitor, so you can see the drop. So, presumably that gets more useful when you really start thinking about this in a lot of detail. Anyway, the actual thing I was going to show you is the circuit. Yeah, I've never actually done a video on this phone before, so I don't know what the quality is going to be like, but I'll see what I can do. So I plugged it into the USB cable. This is the circuit. Oh, there's the LED there. Out of focus. The back's a bit of a mess. I think I actually melted a bit of the PCB there, so I've bridged it manually across. And all this solder here is because I couldn't get it off. So I had to spread it out, which is where I thought I had the open circuit earlier. Anyway, when you switch it on, bing, you get it flashing it's about a second, the frequency, but it does, you can notice it stay on longer than off. But I guess once that's connected with the 4017 chip, which is this long one here, which I'll probably do today or soon, then probably won't notice that. And yeah, and then it's going to go in the computer case just as something to do to make it look cool. Anyway, that's all for now. Bye.